Hello and welcome to ToobFlow. My name's Ray Bram. If you haven't met me before, nice to meet you. I wanted to show you around. I'm so excited about this software that you'll hear it in my voice throughout these tutorials because one of the things this software does is makes it cheaper, easier, and much more user friendly with the interface here, and that's what we're going to show you in this video. I'm just going to show you around real quickly. We'll get into the details of each piece of TubeFlow in future videos here. But for now, let's just take a look at the interface. When you log in your first time, you're going to see you come right into the video drive, and you could start right away by dragging in videos and so forth, and we'll get to that in a second. Well, actually, let's just do one right now. I'm going to pull one of my OfferMan course videos in. Let's see here. And all you have to do is drag a file from your desktop right into the browser here, and it will start uploading. And you could start doing this right away. And I'm going to show you how I organize in a second as well. But you could see that it first does an upload, and then it does a rendering processing to get it all on the platform ready to play. That may take a few minutes. What you don't want to do is close this browser while you're uploading, right? So once it starts processing, you can close the browser. It'll process up in the cloud inside of TubeFlow. But once you drag a file and it's still in that kind of that initial phase, let me show you that again. I'll bring another one in. Where it's uploading here, you don't want to close the window here while you're doing that. So that's just one little tip. There's not too much to this, but you can see how easy it is to get videos in here. You don't have to do anything special. It's going to take the file name from your hard drive that you just drag it. It's going to give it the same name here, and then you can come in here and edit the name and so forth. And we'll get to that a little bit later. Now, the beautiful thing, and what's funny is all these expensive softwares out there that store your videos and do stuff, their systems of organization are so bad, and we make it very easy. So in this video drive, this is going to be your main hub. You'll probably go into this stuff a lot less. I barely go into these other four, maybe interactive videos I do a little bit, but my whole business runs right out of this video drive, every video I have. So the second thing is you could change the view here, right? So I kind of like it like list view, and I tend to number things. I'll show you that in a later video, my kind of storage method and organization methods. But you can see they both do the same thing here. Any video in here, I can click on these three dots and get some. There's actually be more features once a video is uploaded, so we'll check that later. Same thing, these three dots over here does the same thing. Gets me to the copy link where I can send somebody directly to watch the video on a TubeFlow hosted page, or I can get the embed code and embed it in any web page platform, preferably PubFunnels if you're a PubFunnels user. And lastly, what makes this so cool is I can create folders. Right, so maybe this is, for instance, I just uploaded 2 videos of my OfferMan course, and this is actually how I name things, so we'll just leave it like that. And now I've got a folder for that, and I can start dragging those things in there. And I am in a newly created TubeFlow account right now to show you these demos, but I will, in the organizational video later, I will show you how I organize everything. I use 2-digit numbers, acronyms, names. You can have subfolders, so I could come in here. There's nothing in OfferMan right now, the folder, but I can create a subfolder here and say, okay, I want the course, maybe, and maybe I want to create sales videos for the product, right? If that's how you organize them, right? So now you can see how quickly and easy it is to organize things in here. Okay, and we'll get into a little bit more of that later. We're going to let these upload for a moment. Showcases. A showcase is a way to create a dedicated TubeFlow hosted page for your videos, right? So I can create a showcase here and drag a couple videos in once I've got some in my video drive, and we'll show you that later. But that I can instantly share a videos or a set of videos with anyone, and without even having need a web hosting platform. So you could do that if you like. Video connection collections is putting multiple videos in one and then giving you the ability to send people a link or embed it. We'll get to that a little bit later. Interactive video, this is where you can actually have one video playing and then they could press a button or have a choice of two buttons and go to different videos, and it creates, this is where you can create video funnels, helps you guide people and they can learn what they want to learn without having to watch the whole video. Very powerful stuff. And then analytics will show you how your videos have performed. You can see these are uploaded now, but they haven't been played because I just uploaded them. So those are those places. And then if you go to your little icon up here with your name, you can go to account settings. You can change your password, add a profile pic if you like. You can change your plan. You can, or cancel your plan too if you like. I don't think you want to do that, but if you do, you can. Integrations right now, we've got ActiveCampaign and Klaviyo. If you've got those, you want to integrate, that's cool. If you want to import from Wistia, if you've got a lot of videos in Wistia, you can do that here. In the what you'll find in an accounts group, if somebody else has a ToobFlow account and they're on your team, you can add them here to share videos and so forth. So that's kind of a walkthrough of the ToobFlow interface. But the one thing I want you to take away is this is so easy. I'm just dragging videos here. They're uploading to the cloud. ToobFlow's hosting them, storing them, and it makes it easy. Now, one thing I want to tell you is I would always keep a copy on your computer or Dropbox or somewhere else too. That's how you keep backups, right? So you've already got them on your computer. You're going to upload them here. If you're moving from, say, Wistia or Vimeo or one of those, just download them to your computer, put them in a file there that you're going to save it as a backup, and then move them up here. And that way, if you ever need to move somewhere else, you can do that as well. You've got the backups, but you're going to need to download them from those other platforms if you've got them there. If you got them on YouTube, things like that, you can download them and just drag them right in. But it makes it so easy. A lot of times, if I know I'm recording a course, I'll take the 10 files, I'll drag all 10 over here at once. Let's drag a couple more while we're talking, and these are 3 and 4 of my Offerman course. So you can drag a bunch. There is some limit that it'll only process, I think, 5 at a time, or maybe I don't know what it is. They'll queue up the rest. Then when some complete, it'll start uploading the rest. But then I could drag them over here, and then I can go do other stuff, and I don't have to watch it. As long as I don't close the browser while it's uploading, everything's good. But that's what makes ToobFlow so powerful, is it's simple to use. And we'll get into some of the features about customizing the videos and so forth in our next lesson.